Hello, in this video I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for the REALME C53. So first of all, we can start from the volume buttons. As you can see, they are located on the right side, and when you click on the volume up or volume down, you can take the photo. When you click and hold one of this button, you will take this series of the photos. When you click and hold your main shutter, you can also get this burst shots. When you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can also, you can do this by pinching screen with the two fingers, just like that, but also you can click right here and then enable this slider, and that's how we can smoothly zoom in and zoom out. When you tap in this place, you can enable the different filters and the colors. That's actually a lot of different setups. Next, when you go to the settings, we can find other very useful options. Like for example, we can adjust this volume buttons. So I just show you that we can take a photo with them, but also we can zoom in and zoom out by pressing these buttons. We can turn off this shutter sound. And here we can adjust camera aspect ratio, by the way. Next, we can also get some delay to our shutter between 3 or 10 seconds. We can also enable tap screen to capture, and take a look how it works. When you click on the screen, the photo will be taken. If you want to get more details on the photos, go for the more modes and select this 50 megapixel mode. Right now, when you take a photo with this mode and make the small comparison with the normal mode, you will find definitely more details on this 50 megapixel photos. And yeah, that's all for this video, all camera tips and tricks for the REALME C53. Hope you like it!